Race number 4. Set to go now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Gross Income draws for your lead, moving up to take second, sailing away and racing in third by the rail is Lion Fort. Richard comes next, then followed by 2A Daman Surya. Next in line, Duke of Windsor Shanagan. Moving up by the rail is Alexis Diamond. Early greeting. Moving up by the rail, Masaganangane. As they race towards the half mile pole, Gross Income Richard is running by the rail second, then followed by Lion Fort. Sailing away now, trying to get closer in port. Then moving up on the outside is for a Duke of Windsor. Routing at the 600, Gross Income still the leader. Richard is in second. Sailing away now, getting closer in third as they race for home. Gross Income still the leader, sailing away, moving up now at the outside. Second, Richard moving up by the rail is for a Duke of Windsor. Gross Income leading the field, then sailing away, moving up on the outside, grabbing the lead with 50 meters, winning the race, sailing away. Gross Income, 2A Daman Surya, then comes 4A Duke of Windsor, Alexis Diamond, Richard, Shine Again, Lion Fort, then comes number 4 Early Greeting, and Masaganang Ani.